Welcome to Device Doctor. Today, we're unboxing the Epson L8050, a high-quality photo printer packed with impressive features. Let's check it out.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Epson L8050 printer is a versatile solution for businesses and creative projects that require high-quality, vibrant prints on a variety of materials. Whether you are looking to print promotional items, custom gifts, or even personalized clothing and accessories, this printer is designed to deliver excellent results every time. One of the key features of the Epson L8050 is its 6-color ink system, which includes cyan, magenta, yellow, black, light cyan, and light magenta. This color setup ensures that you get rich, true-to-life colors, even for highly detailed prints. Whether you're printing photographs or colorful designs, the 6-color ink system guarantees that your prints will have depth, brightness, and clarity. The printer is also highly efficient, using dye-based inks, making it perfect for printing on a wide range of materials such as photo paper, t-shirts, mugs, CDs, and ID cards. It supports sublimation printing, allowing you to transfer your designs onto special sublimation paper and then onto materials like polyester fabrics, ceramics, mugs, and more. This makes it a great tool for businesses looking to offer personalized gifts or custom merchandise. In addition to standard photo printing, the Epson L8050 can also print directly onto blank CDs and DVDs. The included CD tray allows you to print labels or artwork directly onto the surface of a CD or DVD, making it an excellent option for anyone who needs to create custom media, such as artists, photographers, or businesses that offer custom video or software products. Another notable feature is the printer's ability to print on ID cards. The special ID card tray allows you to print directly on blank plastic cards, which is perfect for creating personalized ID badges, membership cards, or even custom business cards. This makes the Epson L8050 an ideal choice for schools, companies, or any organization in need of reliable and professional card printing. The Epson L8050 is also equipped with a user-friendly interface, which ensures that you can easily set up and start printing. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can print directly from your phone, tablet, or computer, streamlining your workflow. The printer also supports borderless printing, allowing you to create full-bleed images without any margins, ideal for high-quality photo prints. In terms of material compatibility, the Epson L8050 is an excellent choice for sublimation printing, which means you can print on t-shirts, mugs, ceramic items, and more. It's especially great for custom clothing and merchandise because the dye-based inks bond with the fabric, resulting in vibrant, long-lasting prints. So if you're looking to start a custom apparel business or a personalized gift shop, the Epson L8050 can handle all your printing needs with ease. For those looking to print on ceramic mugs or even magic mugs that change color with heat, this printer works seamlessly with the required sublimation paper and inks to produce sharp, vivid designs that will last wash after wash. However, it's important to note that the Epson L8050 is not ideal for printing directly on fabric types other than polyester or other materials not suited for sublimation. So, make sure to check the material compatibility when planning your projects. The Epson L8050 also delivers great speed and efficiency. Whether you're printing a batch of business cards, creating custom promotional items, or printing photos for a gallery, you can count on this printer to get the job done quickly and with minimal waste. The ink tank system is designed for long-term use, allowing you to print large volumes without worrying about running out of ink too quickly. Lastly, the Epson L8050 is designed for businesses, artists, and entrepreneurs looking for an affordable yet powerful printing solution. Whether you're printing on photo paper, t-shirts, mugs, or ID cards, this printer is versatile enough to handle your needs, with professional quality prints that stand out. Plus, the added benefit of sublimation printing expands your possibilities to create custom gifts, apparel, and other merchandise with ease.